Welcome to this MachineBuilder Quick Tips video on the Automated Design Checker. This tool allows you to validate and improve your Vention assembly by automatically detecting and resolving key design issues. To use the tool, select Automated Design Check from the top navigation bar. The checker will scan your design and display any detected issues in the window on the left. Expand any section to view the list of identified issues. Clicking on any error name will snap the camera to the issue and highlight the relevant components. You can resolve the issue by using one of the three following methods. The first is to automatically add a component. If an Add button is available, clicking it will resolve the issue by automatically adding the necessary components. The second is by dismissing. Clicking the Dismiss button will remove the error from the list without making any changes. The third and final option is to manually fix the issue. You can do this by modifying the design directly to correct the problem. Once all necessary changes are made, you can close the Automated Design Check window.